If you want to place out the graphics that you have inside of diagrams.net precisely, then what you can do is you can use the edit geometry feature. So to do that, you can go around onto the edit menu, and once you do that, over here you can see edit geometry is an option. If you were to click on this right here, then you can see that you can define where you want to actually go around and keep a particular shape. Let's say, for example, if I were to do 100 right here, just like this, you can see that it moves from the left side of the document in 100 pixels based on the value that you see right here. You can go around onto edit geometry and then make it, let's say, for example, 100 from the top as well, and change around, let's say, within height as well. Let's say, for example, I'm going to go around and say 400 by 400 right here. So once I do that on the rotation part, let me just type in 45 and press enter. Then it rotated it 45 degrees, and you can see that the size changes out as well. And on the left side and the top side right here, there is a 100 pixel difference. And that is how you can go around and then edit out the geometry inside of diagrams.net. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.